This is Wendy. I'm so excited to be here. So I had set a goal to go live every single, hold on, I have to fix something on my camera. Uh-oh. Ah! That's really zoomed in, isn't it? Okay, hold on here. I'm trying to get something out of the way. All right. Okay. Okay. So, fixing, hold please. All right, so basically I had said I would go live every day from, it was like May 14th till the new catalog. Well, if you follow me on Facebook, that you know that I did not make it yesterday or Friday. So, I'm here Sunday though, so that's good, and I'm planning on trying as hard as I can to make it live every single day till the new catalog launches. There's no particular reason for that, except that I really enjoy going live on Facebook, and I wanted to show off a lot of the new products that are going to be released, and so I just have thought it would be super fun to try to go live every single day. So yesterday was a super busy day, crazy busy day. I had a memorial service in the morning, and then after that I was in charge of helping coordinate and put on a big fundraiser for the school, and so I was busy doing that all evening, and we had friends that came over for that, so I was busy into the night with that. And then Friday, I'm not sure what happened. I don't even remember what I did Friday. I just know, oh, I do remember. I went on a field trip with my daughter. I left the house at 7:45 in the morning, and I got home at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and then after that was just having kids and getting things done for the evening. And we are actually in the midst of starting to remodel and do some major work on our house that's needed to be done for several years. So we have all of that kind of going on right now too, and I never know kind of who's going to pop in at my house at this point, when my husband will need me to help him with something or ask questions about the design layout of the things that we're doing. And so all of that is just happening also. So just a lot going on. But I thought, you know what, I have an opportunity right now to hop on, go live with you guys and show you some amazing stuff. I actually don't have any stamping to show you today, but I have some really cool things to show you, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so to start with, my video was labeled The Sandlot. I don't even remember what all I labeled it, but basically there's going to be a giveaway today. Not today, I'm going to choose the winner June 1st, but I'm going to share the giveaway. And we've got, let's see, there's giveaways. We were watching The Sandlot earlier. Everybody was in the house watching The Sandlot. Now my husband is outside working on some of our projects we have going on. My daughter's building a Lego set. So I said, this is a perfect time to go live. And then it's just kind of been this perfect, wonderful, sweet Sunday. I went to church this morning at a new church that I actually really enjoyed, and I got a lot out of the sermon. And that was really cool. And then we came home, or we ran and got some paint samples because we're going to be painting our house, the outside of our house. So I got some of those, and then I ran home, and we've just kind of hung out, watched a movie together, and now we are cooking dinner, and everybody's just kind of busy in their own corner of the property here doing whatever they want. So, hello in Australia. Hi, Janice. So I'm getting lots of people popping on saying hi. Hi, Jen. Okay, so I wanted to share and show off some of the things I've gotten in the mail. This is from Susan Eitel. She's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and she sent me this sweet thank you card, which is so cute, using the varied vases. I hope my internet's doing okay. This looks a little fuzzy on the screen to me. That's kind of a bummer. Anyway, our husbands are going on a fishing trip together in Alaska coming up soon. So for those of you who don't know, if you're a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you have an opportunity to earn amazing trips all over the world. So I have earned the trip to Alaska. I actually earned it last year, but we're going this year. So we leave in July. And there's a group of gals that said, let's send our husbands on a fishing trip. So there's 4 husbands going together on the fishing trip, and I kind of organized it all. I tend to be that person that organizes the stuff. So I organized it, and they're all going together. And so she had sent me her payment for the trip for her husband and this sweet little thank you card that's on one of our little mini note cards, which I love. And she used the Very Vases stamp set. And then look at this that she created. And I'm sure she created several of these for customers. Stampin' Up! Cardstock 2018. And it's this huge stack of cardstock. And then she sent this clip, and everything is already punched. And you just run this through and clip it together. And now look at this. I've got this beautiful swatch book in colors. And it's got all the in colors. Isn't that cool? So there's all the in colors, and then it goes to neutrals. And everything is labeled neutrals, and then it's printed. So this way people could, at an event, I could just hand this out to people and they can actually see, feel, and touch all the colors in our catalog. This has got to be one of the coolest gifts I've ever gotten, and definitely one of the smartest. And then you can order swatch books from her, which I think is really smart on her part. But she's just done a fantastic job here of creating this beautiful swatch book full of all of our beautiful colors. So anyway, isn't that cool? That was such a sweet gift for her to send to me. Okay, then I got this card from my sweet friend Carrie Vermazen. Life is so much better with you in it. And she I purchased a bag from her that is monogrammed with, it says Mama's Boat Bag, because we have a boat and we go out on a boat in the summer often, and it's kind of like got a mesh bottom. It's from 31, and so she's a 31 rep, and so I bought a bag from her, and so she sent me a thank you. Okay, so here's the biggie. These came in the mail this week, and I can't even tell you how shocked, surprised, and excited I was to receive them. So I have kind of been looking for somebody to create really beautiful bags for me for, here it is, here's the big reveal, for the Stamparatus. Look at this. So these bags were created by my downline's mom, Peggy Trutt, and the inside of the bag has this little pocket for your extra plate, your extra stamping plate, and it keeps it nice and protected. And then this part of the bag allows you to slide in your Stamparatus, and there's a little bit of room in there. So you could, in theory, if you needed, you see I have a piece of cardstock wedged in here, but you could probably add a couple little items if you needed to. But I just love it. And then it's got this, let me get it back out of here because now I've messed everything up. I pulled my foam pad out with my magnets on accident. Okay. So I love it because it's got this little handle, so you could strap it to another bag, or you could throw it over your shoulder. I don't know if you can see me here, but it's over my shoulder, and it's just a really nice length. It's not too long, and it's got this great zipper, and she even added this cute little charm to the zipper, which I thought was sweet. And I just love it. So this was one of the bags, and then here's the other one, which I can't decide which opening I like better. So this one opens with Velcro, and it just slides in just like that. And then it's also got the little back pouch, and then it closes like this. So, I mean, I love them both actually. And I would have a really hard time deciding which opening I like better. But in my case, I like the print of this bag better because I love bright pink. So I'm going to be keeping this bag, but I got Peggy's permission to do a giveaway of this bag because I don't really need 2 Stamparatus bags. So I thought it would be fun to give this one away on June 1st. So all you have to do to be entered to win is comment on this live and share the video. That's it. And on June 1st, I'm going to be drawing all kinds of gifts that I've been showing giveaways for over the last week. So stay tuned because I just keep showing this stuff. The other cool thing is if you want this bag, if you want one of these bags for yourself, you can email Peggy straight away at threadsconnected@yahoo.com. The bags are $30 and you have to pay shipping. So probably around 35 bucks for the bag, but the quality is phenomenal. She is a precision seamstress, I can tell. Everything is perfectly done. I mean, it looks as nice as if it were purchased at a store. You can see the bottom here where she's done the mitered edges, corners. So you've got this little bit thicker bottom. So everything fits nicely. You can choose to either have a zipper opening or a flap opening. And you could probably request a color scheme, but Peggy, the cool thing about Peggy is she just creates them. So, excuse me, she doesn't do custom orders. So just know that when you purchase from her, you're going to get something in the mail that will be beautiful, and I'm sure you can pick a color scheme, but you may not be able to pick a print. So anyway, $30 including, plus shipping, not including, $30 plus shipping, and you can email her at threadsconnected, I believe it was at Gmail, I don't know, it's on the description. Read the description of the video, it's on there. So you can purchase these from her, and in the future, I think we're going to have a way for you to order them right off my website. So stay tuned for that. That shouldn't be too far off. Speaking of websites, it's coming along. So for those of you who don't know, I am having a new website designed, and it is completely different, a whole new look. You're going to start seeing changes trickling through all of my different places, like my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, all the colors for my website are changing. Everything's changing, and it's gorgeous. It's turning out beautifully. It launches on May 25th, which is this coming Friday. So my website will likely be down on May 25th, FYI. Excuse me. Still suffering with allergies. Wind is blowing here today. It's gross. Okay, last but not least, I've got my paper share happening. So if you're interested in purchasing my paper share, it is $56. That includes shipping. I've had a couple questions. A couple people have said, well, why is it so expensive? Well, because there's a lot of paper. I'm not overcharging on this. I literally added up all the papers that I'm going to provide, divided that number by 4, and you're paying a quarter of what it would cost for you to get every single paper in the catalog in a full package. So the paper samplers come in a 6x6 pack. They're in a sweet little sleeve like this, and then they're labeled with the item number and information so that you can purchase the whole pack of paper at a later time if you want to. I love paper shares because you get to look, feel, see, touch the paper before you make a commitment to buying a 12x12 pack of it. So this is just my way of kind of helping people out who maybe don't want to spend the money on getting big packs of paper and they're not sure if they're going to like the paper, so you can just get a sampler. So that's a reminder for you, and I'll be continuing to remind you because you can only sign up for this through May 31st, and then it's gone, it's done. So FYI on that. Okay, I will be back tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Okay, so I'm getting a few questions here. Let's scroll through these. Let me look at them. Debbie says she loves the pink bag with the zipper. Yes, it's beautiful. Hello in Minnesota and Ohio. Okay, so question. Kathy West, can you give us the email for the swatch book? The email for the swatch book is Susan, S-U-S-A-N, Itell, I-T-E-L-L, just like it sounds, at gmail.com. So if you want a swatch book, that's this book here that I showed you. She is selling these, I think. I have no idea what they cost. I just know on the back here it says to order additional swatch books, and then it's her email, so you guys can see that. So if you're interested in getting one of her swatch books, you can do that. Really, really cool. And then, let's see. Who else had questions? I thought I saw more questions. Uh-oh, I'm frozen now. My chat window's frozen. I don't know. My chat window's frozen, so I can't see. Yes, so somebody said you could put your swatch book in these bags. Yeah, you could put a color coach. I have this thing. Where is it? I have this little thing. This is like a color coach, except it's not Stampin' Up! Colors. It's a color wheel. So you could put something like this in there so you had it handy. You could even pre-stamp some items or grab some cardstock. Throw maybe one stamp set in here. I'm sure, let's just try it out. So I think if you were traveling, because this is going to be what I'm going to try to do, especially like going out on the boat. Now that I have a Stamparatus, I kind of am feeling like I'll probably be able to go out on our boat and still stamp. So I got the Stamparatus in there. I've got a stamp set in there. And then I could pre-cut some cardstock and stick it in here. And then look at, I've got a stamp pad in there. It all fits fantastic. So, and in fact, I could probably fit 2 stamp pads. Let's just try it. Yeah. 2, maybe 3. Look at that. So there's a Stamparatus, my plate, my ink pads, and a full stamp set. And then all you would have to do is cut some sheets of cardstock and tuck it in right there, and you'd be set. And you'd probably still be able to zip it. You might not be able to zip it, but if you got the one with the flap over the top, you'd definitely be able to close it. So that's what I'm saying. These are very roomy. Very roomy. So you could definitely fit more than just the Stamparatus in there. She's an excellent seamstress. The stuff is beautiful. Like I said, I'm giving this one away. Great colors. Absolutely love it. I just don't love it as much as the pink one, and I have no need to have 2. So if you want to win this one, you can be entered to win by commenting and sharing this video anytime. You don't have to do it during the live. You can watch, comment, video, goodness gracious, watch, comment, and share at any time. It doesn't have to be during the live. If you're watching this on YouTube, go over to my Facebook, comment on all the videos throughout the week that I've been doing, because you'll be entered to win the prizes for those days. And then share the videos. If you don't have a Facebook account, that's okay. Go ahead and comment on YouTube. I'll honor your comment as an entry. And on June 1st, we're going to have an amazing Facebook Live strolling through the new catalog, and I'm going to choose winners for all the stuff that I've had for the giveaways over the last couple weeks. So don't miss out on these fun giveaways, okay, guys? All right, so that's a nice to-go bag. Jen said that's so cool. Linda said, I usually just read when we're on the boat. I never read. I'm so horrible. Love the bags. Yay. Okay, so thanks again for tuning in, everybody. I will see you tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I have something really fun to show you. It's all prepared and ready to go, so make sure you tune in with me and hang out. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.